How to advertise on Instagram in 2024, make $1,000 per day with Instagram marketing? In 2024, Instagram will remain one of the most powerful platforms for digital marketing. With over 1 billion active users, it offers unparalleled reach and engagement. Here's how you can tap into this potential. Set clear goals. First, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your Instagram ads. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales, having a clear objective will guide your campaign strategy. Know your audience. Next, understand your audience. Use Instagram Insights to analyze your followers' demographics and behaviors. This data will help you create targeted ads that resonate with your audience, increasing the chances of conversion. Choose the right ad format. Instagram offers various ad formats, including photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, and stories ads. Choose the format that best suits your content and goals. For example, video ads are great for storytelling, while carousel ads allow you to showcase multiple products. Create compelling content. Content is king. Ensure your ads are visually appealing and engaging. Use high-quality images or videos and craft compelling captions that grab attention. Remember, Instagram is a visual platform, so aesthetics matter. Leverage influencers. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool on Instagram. Collaborate with influencers who align with your brand. Their endorsement can significantly boost your credibility and reach, driving more traffic to your business. Utilize Instagram shopping. If you sell products, take advantage of Instagram shopping. This feature allows users to purchase directly from your posts and stories. Tag your products in your content to provide a seamless shopping experience. Monitor and optimize. Once your ads are live, monitor their performance using Instagram's analytics tools. Track key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. Use this data to optimize your ads, tweaking elements to improve performance. Budget wisely. Effective budgeting is crucial. Start with a small budget and scale up based on performance. Allocate your budget strategically across different ad sets and campaigns to maximize ROI. Test and experiment. Finally, don't be afraid to test and experiment. Try different ad formats, creatives, and targeting options. A/B testing will help you identify what works best for your audience, allowing you to refine your strategy. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively advertise on Instagram and potentially make $1,000 a day with Instagram marketing. Remember, consistency and creativity are key. Happy advertising!